If you have a business, whether selling a product or a service, there's always one very important question to ask. How do you make sure that your potential clients buy from you and not your competition? Say hello to one of the most powerful tools existing today, the testimonial video. From a personal experience, creating some for myself and some for my clients, I can tell you, if done right, a testimonial video can really help you close the deal and generate you a lot, but a lot of money. And the cool thing is that it doesn't have to look super professional. You can create it all by yourself. In this video, I'm going to take you on a journey with me to create a testimonial video for my company. Vision Movies, a video production company. So make sure to watch this video in full. Let me teach you how you can create a very powerful testimonial video all by yourself. Stay tuned. There are many different ways to create a testimonial video. It can look very professional, high-end and sophisticated, but what's very important about every testimonial video is that it will be genuine. It will let the viewer see a real person talking about the experience he or she had with you. A good testimonial video will create a very high credibility. It will answer a lot of questions a potential client might have about your product or service and will create a real desire to do business with you. So why do some testimonial videos look very, very good and are really convincing while others look like they're trying too hard? That's because the good ones include three important components. Number one would be identifying your client needs, and by that, choosing the perfect on-camera person to share their experience and their personal story when they worked with you. Two would be describing the whole process and answer unasked questions that might be objections in the client's mind. Three would be presenting the success you created for your client and spark a desire within the viewer's heart, make them want the same success they see on video right now. So let's start with number one. First, you need to identify your client's needs. So let's say that you are an eye doctor. Your patients are really scared because you're talking about their eyes. If something goes wrong, they might lose their sight forever. For that specific problem, you probably want to choose someone who was very fearful before coming and seeing you for the first time. If they share on camera how terrified they were before they started the process, and then they can keep going about how they met you, how you were so accommodating, how you were listening to their problems and fears, and how you guided them through the whole process with care and attention, that will resonate with the viewer and let them feel that they're in good hands. So let's get into my business, my video production company, Vision Movies. Many of our clients find us online. Many times people are very scared when they find a company online. I also know that for many of them, this would be the first video project and they're very afraid of the whole process. So for my video, I decided to go with three very powerful success stories. The first one is Mark from Live Ultimate. Live Ultimate is a product-based company and they needed a video to share their brand story. Mark already had an experience with a video production company, but the experience was very bad. This company didn't do a good job, and Mark and Live Ultimate had to spend a lot of money and never use the final product. So Mark was scared. The second client is Jonathan from LoKation Real Estate. They recruit agents online, and they knew that one of the most powerful ways to get to these potential agents would be to have a video. Next is Rachel, who is running for commissioner. I wanted Rachel to share her story because that was very unconventional video production. A very important thing to pay attention to would be to choose the right people who can be on camera. Make sure that they look good, they express themselves properly, they're fun to watch and very engaging. So now it's time to hit the record button and start the interview. I wanted to show you that even a very simple video can work. Sometimes I shot it on a cell phone, sometimes I shot it with a digital camera, but it was very simple setup that you can create by yourself. For the interview, it's very important to prepare and follow very specific questions you're creating ahead of time. Make sure to go through the whole process. Start with what problem the client had before he reached out to you. Then let them go through the whole process from the moment they picked up the phone, sent you an email, or walked into your office, all the way up to the final step. Ask them to be very, very descriptive, how they felt, what they were scared of, how was the initial conversation, what was the first step, the second step, what was towards the end, how was the final delivery, and what was their impression about it. And that leads me to the final point, which would be share the success you created for your clients and create a desire within the viewer's heart. If the viewer sees that you're for real and you're really creating a success for your clients, good chances are that he would like the same success for himself. Now, I would love to share with you the testimonial video I created for my company that is posted on my website already and includes 3 very powerful stories. Check it out.
Hi, I'm Rachel Streitfeld. I'm a lawyer. I'm running for commission here in North Bay Village. I wanted a beautiful video to introduce myself to the voters.
I'm Jonathan Lickstein, managing broker from LoKation Real Estate. We felt it was very important for us as a company to be able to show our brand and our culture to those interested in working with us and those who already work with us to really get to know us personally.
I'm Mark Wachter. I'm the founder of Live Ultimate. We have a line of organic superfoods and organic all-natural skincare products. Our products are such high quality that it was really important for us to have a really strong video that could send that message and explain to people in a very short period of time.
Searching online, we found many different production companies, and some looked low budget, the videos just weren't engaging, but when we came across Vision Movies, they got the concept, they made creative videos. So finding a company with that type of production level really just hit the nail on the head for us.
The process for starting this video was really thoughtful in that Omer at Vision Movies sat with me for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours.
We literally spent 3 hours, I think, with detailed questions to understand what was behind the brand, what was the real story, so that when we came to a script before production, I read that script and I was like, that's it, that's our story.
Omer sent me the script and the scene breakdown, like this is where we're gonna shoot this and this is where we're gonna shoot that, a bunch of location ideas.
We went to different venues, they brought the actress, the props, the production crew, had different buy-ins with our agents and people from the office. It was a really, really fun process.
When I got the first cut of the video, I was so happy. I was smiling like this. I loved it so much because it was perfect. I mean, to me, it was everything that I had wanted and more.
We were so happy. It was a first-class video. The message was there, the story was there. It looked amazing. The quality was top-notch.
Agents loved it, consumers loved it, and they continued to share that through social media channels, and our YouTube views went through the roof.
The experience with this video was so positive that we didn't really have in our budget the idea to come up with multiple videos, but we were so impressed with that first video that over the next 12 months, I believe we created 12 additional videos.
It got people excited about this campaign, so we've raised $25,000 since we announced the campaign about 2 months ago.
Vision Movies and LoKation, we've worked together for over 10 videos, and the success on each and every one of them seems to top the one before. Just keeps getting better and better for us.
So this is it. This is how you create a very powerful testimonial video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do so you can keep up to date on how you create very powerful videos all by yourself. I would love to hear about your progress, so if you have any questions or comments, please make sure to leave them in the comment section below. If you know of anyone who might benefit from this video, please go ahead and share it with them. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.